Why should you register your trademark? Well, because if you don't, sometimes someone else will, and then they blackmail you and hold your mark hostage. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney, and I go live here on weekdays to talk trademarks and copyright. So lately I have noticed a disturbing trend. Somebody says, hey, I'm coming out with a new product and it's going to be this, it's going to be called this, and it's really cool, and I'd like y'all to buy it. And then, lo and behold, a week later, they contact me. We go in to file the trademark application, and somebody else has been there first. They have filed an intent to use application, and it means that my client's trademark application is going to be refused because of this application that was just filed. People, please. What I have been saying for years is if you value your trademark, keep it under wraps before you go public. I'm seeing a lot of these, I call them trademark bandits, that go in, they find somebody who's using a cool trademark and they go in and they apply to register it. And it means that the person who's actually going to be using the trademark and has announced that they're using this trademark on their new product or their new business is out of luck. They are going to have to either choose a different name or negotiate with the I should call them trademark terrorists, not trademark, what did I call them? Trademark bandits. No, that's too subtle. And I like trademark terrorist instead because I like the alliteration. So these people are basically trademark terrorists. They go in and they say, hey, I've got your trademark. Would you like the trademark? If so, pay me lots of money and I will transfer the trademark application to you. That is slimy, but people do it, and people leave themselves open to it because they announce their brand and then go in and register the trademark. So I just filed 2 trademark applications for a new business that I started, and I made sure that I registered those right quick, or applied to register those right quick, because I knew that if I left them out there, that someone else would say, oh, wow, that's a really cool name. I think I'm going to go use that name and register it, and then I would be out of luck. And I like the name of my business. It's visible on video. It helps people with high trust businesses get noticed on live video, like this one here. But anyway, the problem is that people are not being diligent about looking after their brands, and they're tipping their hands by announcing beforehand what they're going to do and what their goods and services are, etc., so that some trademark terrorist can go in and apply to register the trademark for those goods and services, and then they're out of luck. You're stuck negotiating with terrorists, which is a terrible thing to have to do. So be smart. Register or apply to register your trademarks as soon as you know that you are going to be using that word or phrase or design as a trademark. You can register even if you haven't started, you can apply even if you haven't started using the mark yet. It's called a 1B intent to use trademark application. So I encourage you, if you know that you're going to be using something as a trademark, keep it on the down low until you've been able to file your trademark application. I'm Angela Langlotz. Find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. On YouTube, just search Trademark Doctor, and also on Facebook at facebook.com